Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sisters. So as you can see, this is Nur Alam. Welcome back to my English habit. And as you can see, uh, there are lots of building, and there are lots of trees. Okay, and as you can see, this is a private zone. Okay, so that's why uh, this area fully natural and neat and clean all time stay. Okay, and here some people uh, are walking. Okay, what like jogging, and some people like running. Okay, because this area fully jogging area, walking area, and running area. Okay, so that's why every morning time stay full busy. Okay, so that's why this place fully public place. So morning time uh, lots of people comes and go. Okay, so if you want to remove your shyness, so you can here you can come here. Okay, and practice video. Okay, like you can practice your communication, and you can practice your uh, like uh, daily routine share, and any type of practice here. Okay, because fully here public place, and as you can see, this brother cross two bike. Okay, and come here many peoples. Okay, coming here many peoples, and as you can see, uh, my behind many peoples. Okay, so if you are a shy person, okay, and if you want to really speak English, if you want to really uh, remove your shyness, you must be uh, your have to go like public place, like uh, there are lots of people stay, and like market, like railway station. Okay, like park, any type of uh, any type of area, but must be uh, you have to go public place. Okay, because here many people stay, come and go, and like practice some people walking, and some people like jogging. Okay, and some people running. So that's why if you want to remove your shyness, so um, must go uh, public place. Okay, because I know, and I prove it. Only just 15 days ago I could not uh, speak English public place. Okay, but uh, uh, I confidently, not confidently, but some things I tell uh, public place speak. Okay, but I don't stop my speaking, because uh, day by day improving my uh, speaking level. Okay, and day by day remove all my fear, all my shyness, and all my scared. Okay, so you have to go a public place, and there your speaking level you can judge. Okay, so, and as you can see, my beside big brother. Okay, and in front of, like in front of many peoples. Okay, so if you want to really speak English if you want to really your shyness. Actually, the car crossed by me. Okay, and here another car. Okay, actually this area fully VIP area. Okay, so that's why all time uh, lots of car come and go. Okay, so uh, there are many cars crossed by me, and another another car coming. Okay, so if you uh, see lots of car, you can you can uh, come here. Okay, because uh, morning time here lots of car. Okay, so I can suggest uh, if you like if you see many cars, so uh, you can come here. Okay, and here lots of trees. Okay, and here I feel like so cool. Okay, actually I am walking and record my video. Uh, so I can try uh, like running and record my video. Okay, sometimes and as you can see I am running. Okay, but I feel like uh, uh, very tired because I cannot same time record video and practice speaking English. Okay, because this is very hard for me. Okay, because uh, uh, because uh, because before I don't try same time both. Okay, but if I practice every day same time both work. Okay, I must be uh, I can must do it. Okay, and already this video 8 minutes plus recorded done. Okay, continuous I record my video, and as you can see my beside uh, highway. Okay, and as you can see, so don't worry, we just practice speaking English. Okay, so I know I don't know what I say, but still I am practicing, and still I don't stop my record video. Okay, so so don't worry, and as you can see This is a car, and this car black color. Okay, and my favorite color like black color and like white color. Okay, so this car uh, very favorite. uh, okay, and as you can see, okay, actually, you know, my brother and sister, every hard work people one day will be success. Okay, so if you want to really learn English, if you want to really speak English, if you want to really remove your shyness, remove your scared, and like uh, remove your fear, so must be uh, everyday practice. Okay, because practice makes a man perfect. Okay, so don't stop your learning, don't stop your speaking. Okay, and don't stop your uh, speaking. Okay, day by day you just practice lots of uh, like uh, not learning, uh, you just practice like something learn. Okay, like sometimes speaking. Okay, sometimes listening, reading, writing and speaking. Okay, but must be everyday practice, at least 30 minutes listening and at least 10 minutes speaking. Okay, and as you can see, uh, here uh, the woman clean this area. Okay, and as you can see, okay, and I feel like this area very nice. Okay, and this view very good and very nice. Okay, and my beside another street. Okay, here lots of street, lots of road, have a road. Okay, and lots of trees, lots of building here. Okay, actually this area, you know, this area fully private area. Okay, so here lots of people, here lots of uh, trees, lots of building and uh, lots of trees. Okay, and as you can see, so as you can see here, lots of trees. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video and enjoyed with me. I want to say something, only just one thing. Keep learning, keep practicing, and every day just consistency. Okay, and believe in yourself. Must be believe in yourself. Okay, so if you want to really speak English with other person, must be everyday practice. Okay, so no excuse, no compromise, must be everyday just practice. Okay, so I hope you learned something this video and uh, enjoyed with me. So see you soon in the next video. Believe in yourself. Okay, so once again thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.